Okay guys, 3 rock riffs on just a single string. We're just going to use our low E string for this video. Let's dive in. The first riff is Smoke on the Water. It's going to be simply this. Pretty cool, right? So we're playing the open E string, we're playing the 3rd fret E string, playing the 5th fret E string. Go ahead and do that with me. 0, 3, 5. The next line is 0, 3, 6, 5. You can just use one finger if that's too much. And then the next line is the same as the first. Just 0, 3, 5. And then the final line is 3, 0. So all together it's kind of 4 sections. 0, 3, 5, 0, 3, 6, 5, 0, 3, 5, 3, 0. Practice that, have some fun, and that's Smoke on the Water. Okay, the next one is going to be Seven Nation Army by White Stripes. Here it is on the low E string, not in any particular key. That's pretty simple. Now we're moving up the neck a little bit. We're using our first finger for a lot of it. I'm going to start with the 7th fret of the E string. Hit it again, so there's 2 of them. And then 10th fret E string, back to the 7th fret E string. So if that's too much, you could just use your first finger. And then go down to the 5th fret, 3rd fret, and 2nd fret. One more time. 7, 7, 10, 7, 5, 3, 2. Awesome. So you're probably seeing a theme. We're just using the low E string. We're not thinking about the original key, just having some fun. That's the secret to getting really good, is have fun. Okay. The final riff I'm going to throw you is a little classic from Black Sabbath. It goes like this. Okay, so it's going to be the 7th fret, again all low E, then 10th fret, and then play that 10th fret again, and slide to the 12th fret. So we're getting a little bit more challenging every time, right? That's the idea. And we're up a little further on the neck. So it's 7th fret, 10th fret, play the 10th fret again, and slide it to 12, and play 12 again. And then move all the way up to 15th fret. We're going 15 to 14 3 times. And then back down to the 10th fret. Play it again. Slide up to 12. Play 12 again. So there's a little tricky slide in there, and that's part of the fun. That's the challenge. I want you to work for it. If this is too much, go back to the old riffs. Come back to this one, slow it down. 7, 10, 10 to 12, 15, 14, 15, 14, 15, 14, 10, 10, slide to 12. And that's it, you guys. That's 3 rock riffs. If you want the particular exact tab for where I just played these, I've got that on my Patreon. Become a $5 member or more, and you can have it. Thank you so much for watching. And please leave a comment below if you liked it. Share it with a friend. And don't forget to subscribe, of course.